G'day folks, Benno again, how you going? Okay, this is a little project on the go at the moment. I'm going to make a cyclonic dust collector. Into that hole, it'll be cut off around about there and sealed at the end and a slot cut in there. That's your inlet. Okay, that's where your crack comes off the floor, goes into the separator. So let's get into it and make this thing up. There, so too easy. So cut our first hole directly in the centre. This will be our output from the separator. So we've got that hole. And no, it doesn't quite work. So I'm thinking, it hurts, but I'm thinking. And there we go. The fine metal file half round. So that's the inlet. So what I want to do now is set in the inlet. So I'll just mark it down at that point there. I want it to sit basically lower than the suction side where the air goes out. Hopefully we're in a hole in the side there. Another useful piece of ground plastic. Like so. Silicon that up and let the screw through here. So I'll put the screw down here.